I'm going to discuss is just the introduction of this topic, that how to introduce yourself, right? How to introduce the topic and what are the common mistakes we commit in this one, right? Again, I am writing you one thing that this is a topic here, that is describe a favorite place. You should say where it is, what kind of place it is, what makes it special, and explain why you like it so much, right? And you are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru at youtube.com, right? And this is my WhatsApp number also, that's written in front of you, right? And we people are from, or we are from IVSL Ambala city, that's in India, right? So now the thing is that means mostly how to give the answer. First of all, I am against the rephrase of the statement, right? This is my English test, remember this is an IELTS test, fine. Second thing, third, we people are not checking the mistakes what we are doing. We are just we can say that try to speak only, but we don't know that how to speak properly, right? Now what is the thing here? Suppose I am going to speak on this one, so my answer starts here. I am going to tell you about my bedroom, fine, right? I love it because it is full of my things. This I have written. I am going to tell you about my bedroom. Fine. Now next, let's go to the next point. The walls are, right, painted with blue, yellow stripes. This is my error here, and fine, there is fine a wooden dark floor, right? There is a lovely old photo of my family, right? By my bed. This question was asked recently in the test, that is in Patiala city, right? And all my precious, I used to keep books because I like books, right? That is, books are on the shelves. I have underlined some of the words. This is my number 1, this is my number 2, this is my number 3. There is a grammar error in this, right? Remember this one. This is the mistake we commit here, which leads to detection of band. So the thing is that first we'll check the order of adjective, what the order says, right? In my video also, previous video, I told you about this one, that is the order of adjectives, fine. So how we have to work? First of all, the thing is that in this case we have to work with one thing, that is, first of all, I told you the determiner, that is an or the. Second, after this, the opinion or observation. Third, physical description. that is my size, age, shape, right, color. So this is 1 2 3. After this comes my origin, right. After this comes material. After this comes qualifier compound. No, right. After this comes head noun. You can check my previous video also. I'll try to go with the link also, because the thing is that one. Now, which one is right, which one is wrong? Let's check. Why blue, yellow stripes? So you can do by yourself also. First of all, just stop your video here and try to find the error, right? After that, check to my answers, right? So do one thing at this moment. You will stop the video and just do by yourself. After that, do it. I'm not going for the first one here. I will first pick this one, wooden dark floor, whether it is right or not. What the royal order of adjective says: first determiner, then observation, then physical description, first size, then age, then shape, then color, then origin, then material, then qualifier compound, then head noun. Now let's go to this one. It's visible on your screen. Wooden is we can say that what is it? It's a material, right? Dark, color, flow, noun. Repeat. What's the material here? Wooden. So what I have to do, first of all, I have to check this one. Dark, it's my color. Then wooden is my material. Second thing. Third, my flow. So I think I have to leave the space before, but I am writing here. It should be dark, wooden, flow. Right. This is the correct thing. This is the detection of band. Why people? You say that I have spoken good. Why the examiner, right? He or she gave me less bands. This is the reason. Second thing. Now second we'll go for this one. Lovely old photo, right? So lovely word is there. That's my observation. So it's right here. Then age, old, my age. After this photo. Photo is my head noun. So this is right. There is no grammar error in this case. Now what is the error here? Blue, yellow stripes. Alphabetically if I'll check, B, Y, accurate, right? But there is a difference. I am saying with blue and yellow stripes. So and is missing here. So this is the topic, right? I'll give you one more answer to this and I will correct with the grammar errors where we commit errors and why bands are detected. The reason is this one. In this I have gone with 3 type of points. First is my blue and yellow stripes and was missing. In second, you can check wooden dark floor. Dark color should be before material, right? That is wooden floor. Lovely old photo, it's right because observation or opinion. Old my age photo, you can check. Now let's go to the second part of this one. I'm going to write one more and please try to find according to the qualifier. I'll keep here the qualifier. This one, royal order of adjective, this is known as, and it's because you are getting in writing and speaking these kind of things problem. Topic, you know, it's a simple topic. I'm not giving you the complete answer. I'm just writing the introduction to the topic. And please do not try to rephrase. I am not agree with this one. Just listen to Cambridge people, right? They have the right answer or everything, or we can say that IELTS, and there are very nice books are available, or we can say material is available, and with a nice publisher, lot of publishers are there in this field. Now please, next one is my favorite place is a quiet, right, I will leave the space now, little wood near my hometown, right, in my country, that is India. First point, I like it right because it is a green, peaceful, right, place. So this is number one, this is number two. Now next point, it is full of old tall trees, right, and there are lots of wild, interesting animals, right. Now this I have written, and you can check please accordingly, right. What is the royal order of adjective? It says first determiner, after that opinion or observation, after that physical description, subparts of this one, size, shape, age, shape, color, after that origin, after that material, after that qualifier compound, after that head noun. So how I am working here, my favorite place is a quiet little wood, right. Now I have to check, is it right or wrong? According to this one also I have written quiet is my observation, right, so observation is there. Then little is my size, wood is noun, so it's okay. Near my hometown in India, I like it because it is a green, peaceful place. Green is my color, peaceful is my observation, so this is wrong here. It should be peaceful, right, then green, then place. So this is first mistake in this, right. It is full of old tall trees, right. So I have to check, is it right or wrong? So old is my age, tall is my size, so it means tall old trees, right. There are lots of wild interesting animals. Interesting is my observation, right. Wild, fine, related to my qualifier, and animals, so this way. So it means these are the mistakes. First one was right, quite little wood. Second one is peaceful green. Third is tall all trees, it's visible. And fourth is interesting, right, wild animals. And this is the position here, right, on which we have to. So what I have done here, so this is a topic, and you are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru, fine. And I have written here two examples that what kind of mistake we people commit. So what's the mistake on which we people commit? So this is the royal order of rejective. And please like, comment and share my YouTube channel. Just do one thing, right, check all the videos, you will get your answers on my videos, that's my surety, right? So work on it, naturally you will get, we can say, the required bands, what is your requirement. Thanks once again for watching this video. Please like, comment and share my YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Fine, thanks once again.